Welcome to the Smart Nut Swap, the first segment in our series dedicated to enhancing men's health over 50 through informed dietary choices. Today, we're diving into how different nuts impact your circulation and energy levels, crucial aspects for vitality as you age. It's a common misconception that all nuts are equally beneficial for your health. However, some can actually hinder your progress. For men over 50, optimizing circulation and maintaining robust energy levels are key to a vibrant lifestyle. We'll explore 3 specific nuts that you should consider minimizing in your diet to support better cardiovascular health. First on our list are cashews. While delicious, cashews contain a high amount of phytic acid, which can interfere with nutrient absorption. More importantly, their copper to zinc ratio can be imbalanced, potentially impacting nitric oxide production, a vital molecule for healthy blood flow. Reduced nitric oxide means less efficient vasodilation, which is the widening of blood vessels, directly affecting circulation. Next, let's talk about peanuts. Despite their popularity, peanuts are technically legumes, not tree nuts, and often contain aflatoxins. These natural toxins can contribute to inflammation in the body, which is detrimental to cardiovascular health over time. Chronic inflammation can damage blood vessel linings, making them less flexible and more prone to plaque buildup, impeding circulation. Finally, we have macadamia nuts. While they offer healthy fats, their omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acid ratio can be less than ideal. An imbalanced ratio, particularly a higher omega-6 intake without sufficient omega-3s, can promote inflammatory responses in the body. This inflammatory potential, similar to peanuts, can negatively affect arterial health and overall circulatory function. Minimizing cashews, peanuts, and macadamia nuts can be a simple yet effective step towards better circulation and sustained energy. In our next segment, we'll explore which nuts are truly beneficial and how to incorporate them for optimal health. Stay tuned for more insights on the Smart Nut Swap to empower your health journey.
Welcome back to our series on healthy eating for vitality, specifically focusing on how certain nuts can significantly boost your circulation. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of what we call the circulation-boosting nut duo, walnuts and pistachios. These two powerhouses are packed with unique compounds that work synergistically to support your cardiovascular health, especially crucial for men over 50. Let's start with walnuts, often recognized for their brain-like appearance, but equally beneficial for your blood vessels. Walnuts are an excellent source of L-arginine, an amino acid vital for the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a powerful vasodilator, meaning it helps relax and widen your blood vessels, promoting better blood flow throughout your body. This improved circulation can lead to better oxygen delivery to your organs and muscles, enhancing overall vitality. Next, we turn our attention to pistachios, those vibrant green nuts that offer a different, yet equally important, set of benefits. Pistachios are rich in gamma-tocopherol, a form of vitamin E and various polyphenol. These compounds act as potent antioxidants, protecting your vascular tissue from oxidative stress and inflammation. By safeguarding the integrity of your blood vessels, pistachios help maintain their elasticity and function, which is crucial for efficient circulation. Incorporating both walnuts and pistachios into your daily routine is simple and delicious. Aim for a small handful of each, perhaps as a mid-morning snack or sprinkled over your salad. This simple dietary adjustment can make a significant difference in supporting healthy blood flow and overall well-being. Remember, consistent small changes can lead to profound health benefits over time. Embrace the power of the circulation-boosting nut duo for a more vibrant and energetic life.